Welcome back, everyone. Today, I am going to walk you through a really essential skill for anyone managing a Wix website: how to add admin and staff members, and make the most of roles and permissions. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently invite collaborators to your site, assign them just the right level of access, and keep your workflow smooth and secure, no matter what kind of project you're running. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Wix dashboard. This is basically your website's command center where you control everything, from design to management. If you've just logged in, it'll usually take you straight to your dashboard, but if not, just click on Site Actions and then Manage Site. From here, select the website page you want to manage staff roles for. This might seem simple, but it's important because if you're running more than one site under your account, you want to make sure you're working on the correct one. Double-check that you're in the right spot to avoid confusion down the road. Next, look for the Settings option. It's typically found over on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Go ahead and click that. Settings is where all the nitty-gritty controls live. Sometimes the interface gets updated, so if you don't see it right away, just take a breath and scan the menu slowly. It's there, I promise. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled General. Under this header, you'll see a button called Roles and Permissions. Click right on that. What you're doing here is getting to the place where you control who can do what on your website, kind of like giving keys and responsibilities to your team, making sure everyone is clear on their part. On the Roles and Permissions page, you'll find the tools to add and assign roles for your staff members, whether they're admins who need full access or editors who only work on specific areas. This is super helpful if you're running a business, blog, or online store and need to delegate tasks. Think of it like a digital staff room for your website. Now, here's an important thing to know. If you're using Wix's free plan, you're only allowed to add one extra role or collaborator. So if your team is growing or you need more flexibility, you'll want to upgrade to a premium plan. Don't worry, upgrading is straightforward, and the extra tools you unlock, like multiple collaborators, really make a difference. Once you're on the premium plan, you're ready to invite collaborators. Look for the Invite Collaborators option on the Roles page. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter your team member's email address, and from there you can assign what role you want them to have. For example, do you want someone to be an admin, editor, or maybe just a billing manager? Choose carefully. You're basically deciding what keys to the website's house you want to hand over. Below the role options, you'll notice a special toggle that lets you enable more control for your team member. If you want to give someone extra authority, like the ability to make major changes, you can turn this on. But if you're unsure, it's totally okay to stick with the default settings. Remember, it's always safer to start with less and add more as you go. Finally, once you've picked the email, chosen the role, and set the permissions, just click Send Invite. That's it. Your collaborator will get an email invitation, and once they accept, they'll have access according to the role you assigned. Sometimes there's a tiny delay before their membership kicks in, so don't worry if they don't appear immediately. And there you go. That's how you add admins and staff on your Wix site and manage those key permissions to keep everything running smooth and secure. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button and feel free to drop your questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one so you can keep making the most of your website. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.